In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perfect Instagram posts in Canva 4:5 aspect ratio. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished post that looks great in the feed and in your grid, without anything important getting cut off. First, open Canva and choose Create a Design. Select Custom Size and type in 1080 pixels wide by 1350 pixels high. That dimension gives you the 4:5 aspect ratio that fills more vertical space on Instagram, so your post stands out as people scroll. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, not inches or millimeters, then create the design to open your canvas. Next, design with safe zones in mind. You can start with a template you like or build from scratch. Instagram sometimes shows a slightly tighter crop in the grid preview, roughly 3:4, which trims the sides. To keep text, faces, and logos safe, aim to keep them in the central area and leave about 34 pixels of breathing room on both the left and right edges. A helpful tip is to toggle on rulers and guides in Canva and drag guidelines in at that 34 pixel mark, or simply use Canva's alignment snapping to center key elements. If you're using a template, double-check that headlines and important graphics aren't hugging the edges, nudge them inward so nothing gets clipped. Now add your content and customize. Upload your photos or browse Canva's library for images, graphics, and shapes. Apply your brand fonts and colors so your post is consistent with the rest of your feed. Use a clear hierarchy, a bold headline, a supporting subhead, and smaller details. Check contrast so text is legible over photos. A subtle overlay or drop shadow can help without adding clutter. If you want extra flair, try a tasteful filter to unify colors, or add light animations when you plan to export as a video. Keep the layout clean, with consistent spacing, and keep those key elements inside the safe area. When you're happy with the design, download it as a high-resolution PNG or JPG. PNG is great for crisp graphics and text. JPG works well for photo-heavy posts. Keep the size at 1080 by 1350 so Instagram doesn't resample it unnecessarily. Finally, upload directly to Instagram, or, if you have Canva's Pro Scheduler, set a time and let Canva publish for you. Before posting, preview the grid to confirm nothing important sits on the extreme left or right edge. Thanks for watching.